The Indian National Congress released its manifesto Nyay Patra on April 5th, promising welfare to various sections of the society. Firstly, the party has said that it would conduct a nationwide caste census and socio-economic census. It also said that it would amend the constitution to raise the 50% cap on quota for marginalised groups. Another key highlight of the manifesto is the restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir. For farmers, the manifesto stated that the party would provide a legal guarantee for the minimum support price as per the recommendation of the Swaminathan Commission. For youth and employment, the Congress manifesto promised to fill nearly 30 lakh vacancies in sanctioned posts at various levels in the central government. It also added that a new Right to Apprenticeship Act will be guaranteed to provide a 1-year apprenticeship to every diploma holder or graduate below the age of 25. The party also said that it will launch an urban employment program guaranteeing work for urban poor in the reconstruction and renewal of urban infrastructure. Further, the party said that it would, as a one-time measure of relief, write off all student educational loans including unpaid interest. This amount will be calculated as of March 15th. The party also guaranteed a national minimum wage of 400 rupees per day. For women, the Congress manifesto promises 1/3 reservation from 2025 from the Assembly and from 2029 from the Lok Sabha seats. It also said that it will launch a Mahalakshmi scheme to provide an unconditional cash transfer of 1 lakh rupees per year to the oldest female member of every poor family. Additionally, the party said that it would also introduce a law to recognize civil unions between couples belonging to the LGBTQIA+ community. In the healthcare aspect, the manifesto promises to implement the Rajasthan model of cashless insurance of up to 25 lakh rupees, which will be adopted for universal healthcare. The voting for the Lok Sabha elections is going to begin on April 19th, and what remains to see is whether voters are going to be convinced by the Congress manifesto. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.